So in this case, you would add up the three masses. So the first object is a 2 kilogram, and the second object is a 2 kilogram, and the third object is a 2 kilogram mass. So adding them up, it's going to give you 6 kilograms, and then that's going to be multiplied by the x-coordinate of the center of mass, which is the unknown. That's what we're trying to find. And then that would be equal to the first mass times its x-coordinate, which would be 0 meters, which is just going to be 0, but I wrote it down just to be complete, plus the second mass times its x-coordinate, which would be 1 meter, plus the third mass times its coordinate, which would be 2 meters. And if you solve that for the center of mass, surprise, surprise, it comes out at the 1 meter mark.